SHIKAKIA powder. It smells like tried to kill myself. It smells like moringa powder. I think I inhaled it.
Hi guys, it's Kinky with cheese and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I feel like if I say this all the time when I bring out a new video, but this time it wasn't laziness. It was something serious. I've been having migraines constantly for like a month plus, and I decided to take it slow and not really do anything much to my hair. So my hair has been in twist, and yeah, just basically twist. I decided to do a short video because I was ready to wash my hair. My hair was hella dirty and I needed to clean my scalp, and I was like, let me try this Ayurvedic method that has been going around. I have like friends on Instagram that has been using this method for a long time, and their hair is flourishing very well. So I decided to just try something, and I tried just 2 powders because I didn't want to overdo, I don't know. So I don't want to overdo what I'm just starting now. So I just got the AMLA powder and SHIKAKIA powder. Nothing much about it, they don't smell bad. I'm so excited for you guys to watch this video. I'm so excited for you guys to see how this thing is, because I'm trying it out. This is my first time. I have no idea how many hours or minutes or how to mix it or not to mix it. I don't know what to add or what not to add. I'm like testing. This is my trial and error. So if you guys want to see how this worked on my hair to achieve this look, well, it's not a look, my hair doesn't just have any products on it right now. I just got out of the shower. But if you want to know how it feels, want to know my take on how it is, or if I'm going to keep on trying it, then you guys should stay tuned and stick around for the video. So guys, I know I look crazy. I just got up, so bear with me please. Don't mind this. And yeah, so I went online Amazon and I got organic AMLA powder, Jiva, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, I don't know why I added the accent. Jiva Organics and SHIKAKIA powder. I didn't want to go too crazy because I didn't know, this is my first time of using Ayurvedic powder, so I was thinking let me just do two powders and not overdo anything. So this is from Amazon and Neminat Herbal Care. Yeah, so I'm going to use this one and this one together. Guys, bear with me because I don't know the measurements. I don't know what I think I should just add water. Anyway, just follow me in this, whatever this is. So I'm going to add 1 cup. I don't know if 1 cup is a lot because my hair is a lot. I'm just trying to. Okay, I'm going to start with half a cup. Then if it's not enough for my hair, then I'll add 1 cup. Let me do anything. So this is half a cup. And I'm going to add the AMLA powder. I think half a cup is okay. It looks, and I think it's okay. I think it's enough for my whole head. And now I'm just going to add like water. So this is how it's looking now. It's not runny at all like I thought it would be. It's like mud. So I have to get my towel, get my spray bottle. Just has water inside. I'm just going to spray a little bit of water on it. add the powder or the mix, my hair feels like straw, like on contact with this. So, am I doing it? Okay, seriously, am I doing it the right way? This is how it's supposed to feel. The hair's supposed to feel hard. Okay. Okay. Guess. Guess this is how it is.
I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know
How it looks. I'm going to leave it on my hair for 1 hour or 2, or maybe more if I forget, because I'll be running around and doing other stuff. But yeah, this is how, let me see. So guys, I've been around and doing my chores and whatever for like 3 hours now, and I've been on my hair for 3 hours. I didn't know if I was supposed to leave it for 3 hours or for 5 minutes. I wasn't sure, so it doesn't hurt. Keep it on for a long time. No, this one is my hair. It's kind of dry. Wonder what this is. Anyway, guys, this is how my hair looks now. That is somehow dry. Can't tell. I don't know if there's any difference. I don't feel any difference. So I'm going to wash out my hair, then I'll come back and tell you guys and show you guys what my hair looks like, and yeah, when I'm done. So guys, this is how it looks, how my hair looks. Rinsed it out. I washed it with my Aussie shampoo and conditioner. I washed it out with Aussie shampoo and conditioner. I know SHIKAKIA powder can be used for like can be used to clean the hair, but I wasn't so sure because I haven't like washed my hair in like a month, and I needed like shampoo, just a little, plus the SHIKAKIA powder. Yeah, that's how my hair looks. Just rinsed it out, and it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Like, I thought my hair was going to be like straw, but funny enough, it's kind of soft and it's really defined. Like, as you can see, my hair is crazy defined. So will I be doing this again? Yes, because you can't just like expect to see something in one try. I'm going to try it again. It doesn't take anything from my body to try something that's going to be helpful to me. It's natural, so it's not harmful as long as you don't overuse it. But so I'm just going to read like some benefits of SHIKAKIA powder and benefits of AMLA. For SHIKAKIA powder has a very low pH level, means that your hair will be stripped of its natural oils. So people use it as shampoo. It's good for cleaning the scalp. It's like used to, prevent dandruff. It has vitamin C, which promotes growth. So there's so many good things about SHIKAKIA powder that I think my hair will benefit from if I continue to use it. And yeah, it even protects the scalp from like fungal infection. So prevention is better than cure, as I always say, so I don't mind. Benefits of AMLA powder: it reduces hair breakage. So it has vitamin C as well, and antioxidants that like grows the hair, fights bacteria, prevents graying. It strengthens the hair shaft, it boosts scalp health, and allows for optimization of the pH level and oil production. Those are the main things about Shikaika powder and AMLA powder. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.